Dude, something's leaking. Car should be so much better.
We could have just come that day on the
car and forgot about the plan on the bike, and that's the worst roads yet. Dude. These are not the bikes for these roads. We have to go now, we can't go back. Whoa. I think it just might be worth it. Dude,
I need to fill petrol.
seriously? Worst roads yet. Huh? We have to go now, we can't go back. Thank you. Dude. Okay, damn. I guess it got stuck. Yeah, I know. Shouldn't have stopped. Oh. Sheesh, it's not even in gear. What? Sheesh. These are not the bikes for these roads.
Told the road is good, that's why I agreed.
Kyatanmakki, 1.6 to go. That's not a... I have no idea if I'll make it in. Wait, I don't know if we can go back.
Let's see.
Wait, you look. You want to take this road?
We're going up, so we have to keep going up.
Oh, great.
Why did I close it? Go back, I'll push.
Wait, don't push or something. Yeah. It's straight, right? Flat, right? This is some crazy shit. Whoa! Slipped. Yeah, this is bad. This is really bad. Nice, thanks.
Don't let the bike be on your leg.
Just move out of there. Stand. No, wait. Hold the brake. This is a rock. Why would you do that?
I'm stuck. Left.
I think it's better to come back. I can't lift there.
It's in the puddle, dude.
Yeah, so it's better pulling it out.
I'll get out.
Oh, damn.
You shouldn't have accident.
Man, I told you don't. Take that route. This was the better route.
No, his sand came
Down, that's why he had to do. He went suddenly that side. Okay, Rajat, come from this side.
Which side?
That side. What am I going to do this time?
Pull the handle backwards so that you pull it.
Should I pull it? Push it back?
Yeah.
Is it in neutral? Fuck you. Yeah. No, it's not. Okay, now it is.
Put it in. Wait.
Nice.
Am I recording? I'm recording.
Am I?
Yeah.
Fuck. They're recording our misery. Just go for it. Take the right side road. Yeah, nice.
Yeah, I recorded it.
Dude, I just want to say fuck you. Yeah, I don't think we can do this. You shouldn't stop if you start. You go first. I don't think you heard that. Don't fall. At least it's covered. You won't fall off the cliff. You won't fall off the cliff, yeah. Which is more.
Okay, we have to go from the middle.
It must be so easy for him. And a bit difficult for you, and fuck my life. Even for me, dude, like I can feel the weight a lot here. My heartbeat is so high. Like throughout I was like prepared to fall. Like I'm not falling today. Should we go?
850 meters. Yeah, I think we
One of you. I'll go. Okay. What? Easier than it looks, solid. You're going? Okay. God bless me. Yeah, I heard you. Dude.
Don't stop.
Yeah. Oof. Fuck! We have to go back, you know? Yeah, go. My bike won't start. High coolant temperature. My bike won't start.
Seriously?
Oh wait, it did. Move. 100 moving. Whoa. Dude, something's leaking.
What's leaking?
Something's leaking. Buzz. I got that on camera. We can't make that. Wow. Okay, that is really risky. We can just keep our bikes here and go walking. Car should be so much better. We could have just come that day on the car and forgot about the plan on the bike, and we would have known at least how it is. We should go places where we don't know by car. Such places first and then take the bike. I'm going, I'll go. This one. Oh. It's probably worth it. I think it just might be worth it.